In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off iMessage on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down all the way here until you find Messages. And that's where you will find the option iMessage. As you can see, currently it is enabled. However, we can easily turn it off by toggling off that button next to it. And now, while this feature is disabled, we can head over to the Messages app, and now we can, let's say, go right down here, and then we can send messages as a regular SMS text, just like that. As you can see now, when iMessage is disabled, my messages are green. However, if we turn on iMessage, it will become blue. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.